Phillip Randolph would become a major asset to the successes of the civil rights movement due to his revolutionary organizing skills and deep interest for labor rights. Here's how he used his passion to fight for us all. This is 2 Minute Black History: What You Didn't Learn in School. Asa Phillip Randolph would begin his interest in collective politics by studying the socialist perspective. He believed that taking down capitalism was the only true way to achieve racial equality. This brought his attention to union organizing. Randolph would go on to be the founder of the Brotherhood of Sleeping Car Porters. They organized around increasing wages and benefits for black porters on the Pullman cars around the country. Randolph was one of the main brokers of the March on Washington movement of 1941 that pushed for the government to integrate the defense industry out of World War II. The threat of 100,000 black people marching on Washington forced Franklin Delano Roosevelt to sign the Fair Employment Practices Commission, making integration a reality. Years later, Randolph would find himself in the position yet again to march on Washington. Randolph supported the vision of the young pastor Martin Luther King Jr., who wished to march on Washington in 1963. Phillip Randolph would become the lead planner of that march. Our superpower in the fight for liberation is collective action. Phillip Randolph saw the divide in our civil and labor rights and worked to bring black people together to demand precisely what we need from the system. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2 Minute Black History, a podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.